Welcome back to the Planet 51 Rover Builders group. I'm Mark, and today we're taking another step towards bringing Rover to life. Let's get into the build. In this video I'm going to be showing some of the reference material that I've collected ready for the CAD file design. I've also downloaded and brought some of the Rover files online that I have found just for a reference and ideas. Won't be using any of their files, be starting from scratch for the CAD files. So let's get started. For the first file I'm going to show is a video clip of Rover rotating, and I got it off this website. This person has got a lot of images and little video clips of the characters moving, so it's quite a good one to reference off. This is the video clip. It's just a short little rotation of Rover, plus I have got all the individual screen grabs from the video. So I can go through them to any spot I want, just to see if there's any reference that I need from the movie. Like that's a good one with his inside of the wheel. Plus his arm, front doors and everything. So this next folder I'm going to show is an idea for the neck on Rover. I ended up finding it on here, and we're looking at this joint here where the hand goes onto the arm. These guys have got a demonstration videos on different joints on the arm and one that's been machined. I ended up finding the file on here. I downloaded it, 3D printed and tested it. And it's got a lot of movement, which I'll show in a video next. So you can see the joint in here. This is all the movement it's got, as well as the hand rotates, which could be Rover's head instead. It all depends on how compact you can get this into Rover's neck. Here's the machined one that they're demonstrating now. Shows all the movement it has. The CAD file that I've got doesn't have these little legs on it or any holes in the top or bottom plates, but they could easily be added. And I'll show you the CAD file just after this little clip here. So the CAD file, this is it here. There's no pins or anything in here, but they're easily added. Plus I can edit any of this. I can pull that out thicker if I want to. Can add holes, anything. So it gives you a little bit of an idea. So this next folder is movie. So I've got a copy of the movie in there. I've also got the DVD, and I downloaded these screenshots someone's done from the movie. So I've unzipped them. These are the here. These are just files that I've downloaded off the net just as reference material. So I've gone in here and deleted all the screenshots that are not related to Rover. So it's just got all the Rover's clips from the movie. 3 different folders. So anytime I want to reference something, I can come in here, have a look. Plus I've got the movie there. If I want to watch the movie or a part of the movie, I can just go back onto it instead of putting the DVD in and having to load the DVD. For this next part, I'm going to show you a file that I brought online and downloaded. Got it from this website, and this shows you all the different views of them, as well as the files. Included is all the files that you need to open it up as whatever program that you've got. I'm going to be showing the STL. There's also a file in there. This is the CAD file. He's done a nice job on the file. Gives some good reference of what he looks like. Brought this just to get an idea of the shape of him and how he was put together. But this file is missing the rotations on these edges. Like these should be rounded, not sharp square edges. Apart from that, it's a really nice file. And you get all these images included. I'm going to show another little clip here of his head rotation. Cannot remember where I got this file from, but it was quite interesting to see how his head rotates. So I can't remember where I got it from. But yeah, it was quite a good file. I've also been playing around with AI to get ideas. Getting ideas for a thumbnail, but I also got machined looking rover builds, which I found quite interesting. And showing the insides of Rover and how we could use servos and motors and stuff, how to construct them. How with servos in there. Also suspension, different ways the suspension was done was quite interesting. So I'll probably look into that a little bit more and play around with AI to get a couple more ideas. In this folder here, we have a set of folders. This is all the logos and text I can find on Rover. So this one here is the logo on the tank on the back of Rover. All of these are vector, so I can change the size of them and color. This is for the front door. Sticker for the side. Flag for the back. Text around his eye on his head. So I can get all these made as stickers or some kind of transfer that I can put onto the full-scale Rover. I also have a file of just the arm. I think I may have saved this off the file that I brought and downloaded, just to give me a little bit more closer look at just the arm. So that gives you an idea of all the reference material that I have at the moment. And next video will be on to starting the CAD files. Thanks for following along with today's progress. If you're building your own rover, head over to our Facebook group and post your photos. I'd love to see them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next build video.